How you can make the one single name into your Facebook account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Facebook application and you have to go into your profile. Now you have to go in your menu icon and from here you have to go in the settings and the privacy and click on the settings. Now from here you have to go in the see more in your account center and go in the personal details. And from here you just have to go back and you have to simply click into your profile and select your Facebook account. Now here you have to go in the name and as you can see that here is the first name and the surname. Now if you want to change it, for that you have to change order from it, and from here you have the option to choose how your name will appear in your profile and just have to save the changes. And after that you just have to go back and you have to go in the manage the other names. So what you have to do is simply type in a dot or any of the underscore that you want to add into your name, because it is simply not possible in the Facebook to without adding the surname into your Facebook. So you just have to must add any of the dot and anything that you want to add which is not visible to anyone. So this is how you can make one single name into your Facebook by just adding the one dot and any of the thing which is not possibly seen to the others. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.